Okay, so we're in open G. And this lick, I've taught this lick on another, I have another video, but it's a really long video, I think, and it's buried in there somewhere. My long videos don't get a lot of watch time, so I'm going to isolate this one and teach it. I thought I invented this lick years ago. And then it was a few years after that I heard somebody else play it, or play a variation of something like this, so I didn't invent this. But I discovered it on my own, but it was already, somebody else had already played it, so maybe I had heard it somewhere, I don't know. It goes like this. So anyway, I kind of really overused it there, but you can stick it in places instead of playing the slide. What I was doing was, I was at the 5th fret with my first finger, the 7th fret with my next finger, and I'm bending. So I'm going, bending that up, then I'm moving the whole thing a whole step down, lifting off, going a whole step down, doing the exact same thing with my ring finger on at the 5th, on the 2nd string, and my first finger on the 1st, at the 3rd fret. So then I'm going a half step down and doing the exact same thing and bending that. So I'm going here. So, whole step down, half step down. Then I'm going up, you know, to my 4 chord. Doing it all over again. Then for my 5 chord, I'm going all the way up to I'm on the 7th with my first finger, the 9th, and I'm hitting my D bass, my 5 chord bass. So this is what I'm doing. Moving back to this bass, doing my 4 chord. So this thing I'm doing in place of my 1 chord, okay? In place of this, I'm doing this. Where I would normally be doing my 1 chord. So that's the whole lick. So just remember that. So you're going, and then for your 5 chord, you're here. So this whole thing replaces the 1 chord.